and welcome to my channel. Today, well, for yesterday actually, and today we have been in San Antonio, so we're shopping around. We went to Red Robin for lunch, so I'll show you what we ate right here. So was our delicious lunch. It was so good. And now we're gonna be going, we went to Old Navy also. We got some things for Leo, and then we're gonna go to Lane Bryant right now, so maybe I'm gonna find something for myself. All right, everyone, here's what I got Leo. Got these little onesies from Old Navy. This one's got some little tigers on it. I love the yellow color. These are actually picked up by my son-in-law. And why do I keep saying my son-in-law? My son and daughter-in-law. And look at this little camouflage here. The little olive green pants, and then these little dinosaurs are so cute. And these are all the sizes he'll be wearing now because he's growing so big. So they're 3 to 6 months. And we found these were on clearance for $1.49 each. They're like 18 months, but you know what the heck, right? She can save them. The little onesies, she could put them aside and she'll be able to use those later. But for $1.49, can't pass that over. But this is what I got Leo at Old Navy today. Alright, so that was a little clothing that I got for Leo. And we stuck around for a little bit. Leo needed to go take a little nap. So we decided to check around this Toyota dealership. My husband is out here looking at vehicles because we're out in San Antonio. And you know, they have bigger choices of things than what we have in our hometown. And they're having a Labor Day weekend, and my husband's kind of been thinking about a truck. So my son told us they were having a really good deal here. So we just came just to look. And then we're going to go pick up some dinner for us. But this is pretty much our Saturday, you guys. Look at my rosacea, you guys. It's really, really bad. But the good thing about right now is we're having kind of a dry heat, so it's not very humid. And even though it's super, super hot, it doesn't feel like that horrible, heavy humidity that I just don't like. So right now this kind of weather is actually really good for my body, so I'm feeling pretty good. Let's see, well, you know, y'all know that I fell not too long ago, but I also have RA and I have gout, so I get a lot of pain, so the humidity makes it worse. So we're here, my husband's talking to the salesman, which he was trying to ignore, but well, you know, they see a customer and they gotta come over. So anyway, we're looking at the trucks. See right there on the trucks? That's what we're looking at. We're also maybe going to go look at some Jeeps. But we have Sunday and we still have Monday to look around and see if maybe he will get himself something or not. So we'll see. Alright, probably going to be just doing dinner after this. And maybe I'll show you what we got for dinner. I don't know. We're going to get some barbecue for sure. Because we wanted barbecue, but it's really hot. And we told our son, you know what? We'll just pick up some sort of barbecue from, you know, someplace. And bring it over. So that's what we're going to do. And anyway, that's it. This has been our Saturday, you guys, in San Antonio. Nothing. We were going to go to a nursery, but because of the heat and all, and then the time, and then we're all talking about barbecue, made us all really hungry. So maybe we'll do the nursery before. We are planning on going back home tomorrow and then just spending Monday at home. But if we do, then I'll walk around that and show you that. But anyway, that's it for now. All right, you guys, we have been here at this Toyota place. I'm sitting here in the car waiting because my husband said, oh, I'm going to use you as an excuse, so stay in the car so I can hurry up. But look, they're in there in the truck, and now they got my husband. He's got my husband sitting in it now. The guys on the other side, they got the doors open. They're discussing the truck. Who knows what they are doing. But we're going to be here a while. And that's just it. Let me see if I can show you. There's the dealership over there. There's a whole bunch of trucks. They're all really nice. There's like a tan one, like a over here, that color. I kind of like that one. I don't know. I told my husband no freaky funny colors, because then we'll regret it. So look at that. Alright, you guys, so my husband's story was that you're gonna sit in the car, so we're just gonna drive around, look at the trucks, and if a salesman comes around, I'm just gonna say, no, we're just going around, you know, My wife's in the car. We're in the air conditioning. We're just going to enjoy it. But no, he got off. So, he got caught by the salesman. They're walking now over there. They just got off the truck and he just told me, hey, why don't you just drive around and follow us? That's what he just told me, you guys. Oh my God. Okay. So while we're here, I just wanted to show you, I went to the World Market. I don't know if you guys have ever been to that store. They have a lot of really nice stuff from, like India and so forth. So they have some neat things. So I wanted to show you what I got, which is pretty much nothing. Here's my bag. What I got from there. And, I don't know, wait, here we go. I got this soap, you guys. It's black pepper and ginger. Here, take a little sniff. It smells so clean. I love it. And I wish they had a lotion in that same combination, that scent. But they just had it in a hand soap in this. And I feel like, sometimes you wash yourself with a soap and it smells really good in the shower, but then you rinse off and then you don't really smell it anymore. So I really wanted a lotion, but they didn't have that. But I already gave in and I said, I'm going to buy this soap. So I got it. Even though we have a World Market near us where we live, we drove 300 miles so we can come buy it over here. A $4 soap, you guys. That's how crazy I am. Okay, I'm going to get in the driver's seat and follow them around. It's a color that I kind of like, you guys. We were looking at Jeeps too, and I liked it in this kind of a tan color. I like to call it café con leche, which is coffee with milk. In Spanish, that's, my mom says that a lot, café con leche, for that color. It's like a khaki. I really like that color. I was so busy showing you the soap and everything. I don't know where they went, so I'm just going to slowly drive around. Look at this nice red truck too. That looks nice. We don't want a red truck because my husband, redhead, he says no red trucks, no red cars. So anyway, oh my gosh, you guys, way down the road, way over there, that's where he is. So let's go over there. Gotta go slowly because these people driving around. Ooh, look at that. Let's go that way. La la la, taking you on a little tour of, ooh, I like this chocolate covered one, colored, oh my God, I said covered. It's a chocolate colored one. I like that one. Okay. All right, let me get back to you when I find him. Well, you guys, I found him. I don't know what the difference is between this one and that other one. Really, I don't. Oh, look at that. Look at that weird blue. Oh well, anyway, there he is, somewhere in there now, looking at the sticker. Oh my goodness. I'm hungry, you guys. Okay, you guys, so there's the infamous Tricia Texas lady and the salesman. Look at them. They're still talking. All right, finally, come on, honey. Get in the car. There he is. Hi, I'm your Uber. Where am I taking you? Alright everyone, well, we had a great time in San Antonio, but we are going to go ahead and head on home now. So we are on our way. We went to breakfast. It's Sunday, and we had another visit with our son, daughter-in-law, and our little grandson, Leo. And I'll show you a little video clip of him in a moment. So that's it. This has been our Labor Day weekend. I hope your weekend has been great and that you have a wonderful day still tomorrow, because tomorrow is Labor Day for those of you who are obviously in the U.S. celebrating that. For the rest of you, well, I hope you have an awesome day in any case. Thank you for watching my video. Here's a big old thumbs up that I'm going to give myself. Hope you give me a big old thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and leave a nice message down below in the comments, and share your social medias. And as always, enjoy.
Look at me. Oh yeah. Leo. Papash. Yeah. What did your dad do yesterday? Tell me, what did he do? Did he do anything?
He's looking around like, what did he do?
Feed you.
Huh?
Did he work?
Held you.
Did he work?
What did
Wash your
dad do?
pornos.
Oh, that nasty old guy.
Oh, look at Leo. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh. Daddy didn't say that. He said we're watching popcorns. We're gonna make some popcorns in the microwave.
You're so cute. You're so cute, puppy. Look.
What's that?
What do we like to watch, Leo? Strongmen on Saturday morning? We watch World's Strongest Man.
Leo. Hi, Bumpers.
Watch the big fat guys. They're strong.
No, that's a good right there.
There you go. Watch cartoons.
Yeah.
What? What happened? What happened, Bumpers?
It's like he wants to get up, but I don't know if he
What
should.
happened?
What?
Tell us Oh.
Oh my gosh. Really? Oh man. You made a new friend at daycare? Yeah. What's his name? What? Oh, okay.
Leo, did you toot and root at the same time? Did you toot?
He's like,
Ah, you're shy now.
Yeah.
It happens. It's okay.
my grandma does it all the time.